If you're migrating from Informatica Cloud to Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, you might want to know about some of the changes you can expect in the new version. The migration process is seamless, and your migrated assets will continue to work without changes. This video will show you where to find the features that you've been using, and it will also introduce some of the new features of Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. Let's get started. Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services groups core functionality into different services. Use data integration to create, organize, and run mappings, tasks, and task flows. In Informatica Cloud, most of this functionality was in the task wizards and design menus. Use Administrator to perform administrative functions such as configure users and secure agents. Use Monitor to view the status of running and completed jobs in your organization. Other services, like application integration, might also be available depending on your license. Application integration replaces Informatica Cloud Real-Time. Let's explore some of the new functionality in data integration. The home page shows a summary of your organization's assets and the status of its runtime environments. It also shows you the jobs you ran recently and the project and assets you recently viewed. One of the key new features in data integration is the ability to organize your assets into projects and folders. In Informatica Cloud, you organized assets through views. You use the Explore page to look for assets. Your migrated assets are placed in the default project, but you can move them to other projects and folders if you wish. You can explore assets by project or asset type. On the Explore page, the navigation bar at the top shows you where you are. Your projects and folders can contain different types of assets. You can also explore by asset type. Another key feature is the ability to configure custom permissions for assets and folders. Custom permissions enhance security by restricting access to certain users or groups. To configure custom permissions, click Users or Groups, then click Add and select a user or user group. You and the users you select can now access the object, but other users can't. The way you create assets has also been updated. To create any type of asset, click New. Use the tabs on the left to select the type of asset you want to create. Data integration includes templates to help you create mappings and mapping tasks with common integration patterns. The task flows you created in Informatica Cloud are migrated as linear task flows. You can create new linear task flows here. If you have the appropriate license, you can also create advanced task flows that run multiple tasks in parallel or based on a decision. You can create components like business services and saved queries and import maplets through the New Asset dialog box too. In Informatica Cloud, these assets were available from the Configure menu. The process for migrating assets has also been improved. To migrate assets, you export them from your organization and then import them into another organization. Asset Export-Import replaces the object migration functionality in Informatica Cloud. Data integration automatically includes dependent assets in the export file. In data integration, you can also check the status of your tasks and jobs on the My Jobs page. Import assets from the All Projects view of the Explore page. When you import assets, you can resolve conflicts and overwrite assets in the target organization if you need to. Another enhancement in data integration is the ability to view and work on multiple assets at the same time. The blue dot indicates that the asset has unsaved changes. Now let's explore some of the administrative enhancements. Administrative functionality, like configuring connections, runtime environments, and users, is now in the Administrator service. In Informatica Cloud, most of this functionality was in the Administer and Configure menus. The navigation panel on the left contains options you can use to configure organizations, licenses, users, runtime environments, connections, and schedules. You can also install add-on connectors and bundles, generate Swagger files, and view asset and security logs. The Organization page contains your organization and authentication settings. You can also manage your sub-organizations from here. User group functionality has also been enhanced in Intelligent Cloud Services. The Administrator service contains predefined roles for common user functions such as administration, task design, and running tasks. User groups in Informatica Cloud have been replaced with custom roles in Intelligent Cloud Services. Each custom role has the same privileges as the Informatica Cloud user group. Migrated users are automatically assigned a custom role that has the same name as their Informatica Cloud user group, so the user's access privileges are maintained. Audit log information now appears in separate asset and security logs. Now let's explore the monitoring functionality. Job monitoring is available in the Monitor service. The Informatica Cloud Activity Log and Activity Monitor are replaced with the Jobs page. The Jobs page shows the status of all running and completed tasks and task flows. There are separate pages for data integration jobs, import jobs, and export jobs. You can drill down on any job to see the detailed results. Thanks for watching. For more information about migration, you can see the article Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services Migration FAQ. It's in the Cloud Data Integration community on Informatica Network.